So I decided to add this video because it is the first day on the cruise ship, actually taking kind of the tour of the ship that we're on. So after we woke up, we're excited because the elf on the shelf sent us on a treasure hunt, which included going on a cruise to 4 different islands. So this was day one, from leaving the hotel to actually getting to the cruise port, boarding the cruise ship, and actually walking around it. So you get to really see the ship, the eating areas, the dancing areas, the party scene. But you also get to see the Disney ship as well, because we were parked right next to it. So a really cool video if you've never been on a cruise and kind of wonder what's it like, the process from checking in to going and getting on the ship and where you go and everything. So hope you like it, and stay tuned because it's only going to get better. We're going to visit the islands and have some fun. Have a great day. Go make some memories. Notice anything odd? Yeah, that's a stroller. And there's no baby in it. And I'm in Orlando, Florida, pushing it down a sidewalk. Why, you might ask? Or more importantly, why is there not a baby in it? I've already had one person say, hey, where's the baby? Well, because I am pushing this to a convenience store so I can buy a couple cases of soda to take on the cruise ship, since they don't have soda on the cruise ship unless you want to pay like $20 a glass. So not going to do that. So we're just going to load up and take it on there. Pretty genius idea. I can't take the credit though. Christina's the one that grabbed the stroller. I was just going to carry all the 12 packs back. So I guess after a long walk, that'll get pretty tiring. So I think I see it over there. Hopefully that's it. But yeah, great day. Like 67 degrees right now, 8 in the morning, but back in Kansas City it's like 25 degrees, so not missing much there for sure. Let this guy go in front of me here. Alrighty. Woo-hoo-hoo. Good morning, Florida. Oh, well, good morning to you. What are you little turkeys doing? You guys ready to go get on the cruise ship? Yeah. Are ya? You excited, Pay?
Hello.
Pay, are you gonna go down the water slide with Bubba?
Hello. Joe's camera.
Huh?
Hello, Joe's camera.
Joe's camera.
Mickey.
Yay!
Mickey.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, just getting everyone rounded up. It's been a good morning so far. Staying in this little room. Fold out couch and where the ladies slept. Pretty cool. So on the treasure map, there was a clock. And Jax actually found the clock right there if you look real close. So one of our clues already that we're in the right spot, right, Jax?
Uh-huh.
Now, the next thing that the map said is we're gonna get on a bus and then we're gonna go to the cruise ship. Right, Jax?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get our luggage downstairs, get on this bus, and go get on that big old cruise ship. You ready, Jax?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go find the treasure.
Trying to find the treasure?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right. Saying bye to our hotel, getting ready to get on the shuttle. Take us to the cruise. Oh, yeah. First thing the treasure map said is we'll leave the hotel and then we'll get on the shuttle here and be able to take us to the cruise ship. So, very exciting. We're almost there. Okay, so we got the treasure map out. We just got on the bus and we are heading right here to Port Canaveral. And we're going to get on the ship. The treasure map says we're going to go to 4 islands. So we're going to go down to, let's follow the arrows. The first stop is Amber Cove. Then it looks like we cross over to St. Thomas. Then the arrow takes us to San Juan. And then the 4th island is Grand Turk. And that's where the treasure's supposed to be. So we got a few days before we get to Grand Turk. So it's going to be fun, exciting. But this is our first treasure map, our first treasure hunt. We're very excited, aren't we? What are we going to do with the treasure? Huh?
I'm gonna fall in those suitcase.
Oh yeah? Then what?
I don't know.
We're going to celebrate, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Are you ready to go on the treasure hunt?
We are going treasure hunting.
We going treasure hunting, Kylie?
Yeah.
Em, ready to go for a treasure hunt? Hi, Pepe.
Hey, Dada said hi. Hi,
Ready-
Dada.
You ready to go on a treasure hunt? She never texts you back.
What, babe?
She never texts you back.
I mean, I just texted her, but still in there. It's been 12 minutes. Everybody's going that we're meeting them at towards
and self-disembark to be on one of our shuttles, which leave continuously in the morning between 7:30 a.m. and 10 a.m. Just outside the terminal exit is where our greeters will be to check you in and put you on the appropriate vehicle to your destination. That's when you get back from your cruise.
We are getting to the cruise. Hi, Pepe. We're going to the ship, aren't we? We're going to the cruise ship. We're about to get on it. Yeah, we're about to get on it. Yeah, the cruise. Look. There. Pretty cool, huh? I'm so excited. We've been waiting a long time for this. Look, Faye. Look, there's a Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse ears. There's our big ship. Yeah. Excited to see Mickey. Yeah, is that Mickey? Yeah, Mickey Mouse. There's our big ship. There's our ship. See the slides?
That's the Aqua.
But now I'm like,
Yeah, you're gonna go over the ocean. I thought we were gonna
There's our ship. See the slides?
That's the Aqua.
In the line, about to get on the ship, baby. Here we go. Hello, hello. Hi, Paisley. Hey, Jax Dalton. What's up, buddy? We're about to get on the ship. We finally made it. We are in the last of all lines here. So, hi, Pepe. Pepe. Hey, baby girl. You ready to get on the ship? Yeah, hi. You gonna get on the ship? All right, sounds good.
So you don't need to make it.
Making our final descent to the ship.
Dax, come here, man, wait.
He's excited, isn't he? She's gonna be excited when she sees this thing. Here we go.
Now everybody go in the same terminal.
There you go.
You go first.
Okay, I got this.
Hey, go. Hey, Kylie, let Dad go first. Let Dad go first. Kylie, Dax, every way. You're not gonna do it.
All right. Emily, here, push this. There it is. There it is. There she goes. All right, we're leaving land. Getting on the ship. Woo. It seems like we just made this trip a couple months ago.
7.
Deja vu.
7.
Jack's excited? Huh? Oh, look at you down there. Here we go. Here we go. Officially on. Here we go. Officially on, guys. Officially on. Yay! We made it! Santa! What's up, dude? Paisley, look, it's Santa! Get a picture with Santa!
Let's get our picture.
Did you bring your elf on the shelves? They came? Did you hear that? He brought the elf on the shelf.
I bet he's in our room.
What? You saw it. You saw it. You heard it from him. Who said it? Well, he might be in Santa's room waiting to deliver stuff. Huh? What do you think, bud? Come here. Remember this place? Don't touch them, Jax. Those are some cool gingerbread houses.
How's my name
Now,
in
Kylie ought to take a picture and say, hey, you won the contest.
Oh, wow.
Go, Jax.
I'm going to show
There we
everybody what it's
go.
like on the ship on Christmas. I couldn't find it that much.
Go right, guys. Yay.
This is the pool.
Yeah.
These wine packages is a good deal.
Yeah, we made it. No. I ain't worried about anything right now. What about you? It's amazing. Yeah, we got it. Huh? That's what I said. Get you one.
Wait for your cheeseburger.
We're going to cruise to the back. To the back.
Thank you.
And you look so funny. I'm not really hungry right now either, are you? Huh?
Have a nice day.
Cruising around. Already Tile Road. 2,000 people on here.
Hay una página de pizzería.
Yay! Outside! Woo! Another ship. Huh? Check it out. Take off. Got a little bit of rain right now. Oh, look, the bird. Yay! Oh, my. Woo! There's the Mickey ship. Yay! Look at the Mickey ship, guys. Walk this side. We're going to go over here. I'm going to go down this side, though. Silly kids. This is the Mickey ship. It's a cool ship. Slow down, bud. Let's go back. Woo, look at that big old Mickey Mouse ship. Look at that bird flying right by us. Whoa!
It is time to see Beyonce. Reverse. 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 Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Turn it out.
Yeah, we're like rolling.
To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Two ups, two ups. Two ups, two ups. Right foot, let's start. Left foot, let's start. Charlie Brown. Hop it up now. Slide to the right. Slide to the left. Take it back now, y'all. Cha-cha now, y'all.
Let me hear you make some noise! Everyone, hands down, hands down. Put those hands down. Hands down, hands down. You gotta bring them up, bring them up, bring them up, bring them up. And I want to hear everyone say, ooh, ooh, ooh. No, I want